Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to explore this probability question. In a box, there are 3 blue, 4 purple, 9 yellow. 3 blue, 4 purple, 9 yellow balls in a box. Okay, so the very first thing, right, when we work on this kind of probability question, I will always like to put at the side what is my total number of balls. So in this case, it's 3 plus 4 plus 9. To give me 16. Alright, so the probability of picking a purple ball, how many balls are there? 4 out of how many total? 16. So final answer 1/4. The probability of not picking a yellow ball means that we are going to pick either the blue or the purple. So in this case, there is 3 blue, 4 purple, total 7 out of 16. And that is the simplest form. That's the probability. And the probability of either picking a blue or a yellow. Blue has 3, yellow has 9. So total 12 out of 16. So final answer 3/4 in the simplest form. And that is the probability of picking a blue or a yellow. Next, there is going to be Y number of yellow balls going to be removed from the box, and the probability of picking this yellow ball after Y number is removed is 0.3. Okay, so at first have 9. I'm going to remove Y number. So this is the number of yellow balls left. Do take note, the total will also have to take away the Y number of balls, and this will be equals to 0.3, the probability. And then we are going to solve this equation. Okay, I still have 9 minus Y. I'm going to multiply 16 minus Y on both sides, and that's why you will see this particular step. So 9 minus Y equals to 4.8 minus 0.3Y. Okay, and I'm going to continue to solve this by adding Y on both sides and minusing 4.8 on both sides. So you will have a positive 1Y here, or put it this way, I'm going to have negative 0.3Y, adding the Y, and then this will give me 4.2, and this will give me 0.7Y, and finally I'm going to divide by 0.7 on both sides to give me 6. And therefore, the value of Y is 6. We have to remove 6 yellow balls. And we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.